So later on, you have to take it about the bomb. So after you cast most of the debuff and buff, then you should ion already.
Stand by again, go ready.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. I bind first.
Can?
Best is to ion while bursting.
Yeah, lagging.
Then normally we will go to side to buff up.
Yeah, I bind
Can?
bound for 8. I think can just
Okay, ion now.
ion, yeah.
What the fuck?
That's why I need the ion. Soon second bomb.
That's it.
Yeah, careful second bomb coming. Coming already.
Next
Okay,
bomb
ion now.
is 1-5.
No more, right?
Yeah, no more.
Okay,
Then
so
you can play with
just shoot
the
anything
shooting
you
also.
can, right?
No. Not any system yet. The system yet to die
Yeah,
out.
the system haven't out.
Okay, I
The
just put
system
out the arrow.
is 1 minute.
Ah.
The arrow will shoot out.
Oh.
Ui.
Yeah.
Oh, no wonder. Okay. Cannot hold too long.
Yeah.
Prac is up.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, shoot right.
Okay. Let's try. You stop, right? Oh my god.
Just
I
stand
still
there and
miss
shoot,
the
right?
red.
No, shoot. How shoot right side.
Right
Yeah.
side, yeah. Okay.
It's better
Yeah.
to like blink near it, right? And then
Yeah,
shoot.
you can just flirt over there. You can go the bottom right to
Ouch.
shoot on top.
Oh, I can see the red color now. Okay.
Yeah.
Ouch.
Pew.
Have to familiar with the
Okay.
you yeah, nice.
Indigo now. It's good.
Indigo already, yeah. Okay.
No, it's
Yeah.
purple now.
Purple.
Sorry, purple. Paise.
So do we still hit?
Yeah. Still need to shoot.
Yeah, still need to shoot.
Okay.
Okay, I think I almost can shoot already. Yeah.
Really, you saw that? My one sing it Damn it.
Yeah.
I
I
shoot
was
already.
checking my Discord. Because I watching how
The top also lights up. Alright. Wait.
That is
the right side first. Is the right side prep?
yes.
Yeah, right haven't prep yet. Keep shooting right until it's prep. It's okay. Just practice.
It's okay, yeah, just practice.
Yeah.
no mind, I recorded so later I can score myself.
Okay.
I just listening orders, man.
Pew. Okay. Indigo already.
Yeah, it's prep.
Okay.
It's prep. Shoot
Be
top.
careful the tree, you see the tree bomb, the bomb will stick one. Okay, now we aim for top. Another 30 seconds should be the FMA.
Oh, okay.
FMA?
FMA. My bad. Why?
I shot
yeah,
one.
because
Wow, you're shooting quite okay.
Oh, I missed.
now 4, so means one top, then clear clear right.
I think we should clear right, yeah.
Yeah, clear right. Clear the prep system.
Yeah.
Oh, long side.
Last side, careful
Bang.
Clear
I
right.
shoot it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, haven't.
Okay.
Prep. It's done.
Wait, nice
Continue
guy.
shoot top. Shoot top.
Top. Yeah, top focus.
Yeah.
Yeah, top is still red.
Fuck. It's out damn fast, yeah.
Yeah, lor.
Yeah, you don't have blink?
Have.
Careful,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Nah,
Where is
GG.
fuck the bomb.
Careful. Continue clear top.
Okay. Focus, laser. Oh my lord.
It is still purple, just purple
I'm
only.
shooting.
We still need,
I hit that.
Oh.
Cannot lah. Too fast.
No worry, just try out. No worries.
Yeah, just trying.
You can use the up jump skill then blink more.
Yes.
It's very hard to shoot from bottom.
It's purple already, right?
It's Prac. Yeah, top is Prac. I jumped to the last side. Top is Prac.
One shot left, then clear top.
Yeah, yes. One shot left, then we clear top.
Okay. I shot top once already.
Hmm.
I should clear left first.
It's now different color already.
Hey, wait.
Yeah.
Should we focus on top? Oh my god.
Hey! Wow, so many stacking. Damn it.
I see.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
I got it.
Blue
Top
already.
player. Shoot left, shoot left.
Top done, yeah.
Top done.
Shoot left.
Yeah.
All shot to left.
Mm.
Okay.
Oh, she's here.
No need to K the Kalos, because we are just playing the system.
It's
Yeah,
okay.
don't need to DBM him.
Mm.
You still want to do a bit of damage.
Can also if you want.
The bar will charge.
If you're confident, okay.
Oh my god.
Student
But actually, the
Wait.
correct one is we entering by now already. Is it? Oh shit.
Yes.
The
Hey,
correct one,
how long more to bomb? I mean FMA, sorry.
I think 30 seconds more.
30 seconds, right?
Just now is 2700 EFME.
Purple.
Oh, I'm
Left indigo already.
Yeah, shoot left.
We need to shoot left.
Yeah.
Shoot left. Left is spread, but full system like
careful, FMA soon,
Did I got it?
No.
I missed. Fuck.
Yeah. It's too like
A
I think
little.
need one more. I think need one more.
yeah,
Oh my
I
god.
just shot. My one still sometime.
Oh my
No
god.
worries.
Oh, got it.
this one got, system down already. Then
Okay.
you guys choose one
shoot
yeah.
Shoot right. Bottoms
Bottom.
Can also
shoot
if you
bottom.
confident. If you confident
Okay,
can.
But you guys need to count how much you shoot.
I think I saw
I
someone
shoot
shot
one already. I shoot one already.
Okay, bottom
Okay,
one,
bottom 2.
Oh
bottom
my
two.
Oh,
god.
left one life.
Hmm.
GG.
Bottom man.
You can shoot already. Shoot.
Nice.
Okay. Bottom 3,
Bottom 3 already. Oh
Oi.
Four.
bottom
Wow.
4.
Where's the thing?
Wow, that last life also.
I think you guys moving too much.
Okay. Yeah.
Hey, where's the bottom? Cannot see the
Bottom
bottom.
one more, bottom 5 now.
Nali
Oh
eh?
shit, too early.
Oh,
Shit. Yeah, I'll try again.
I have to go now. Sorry.
Okay,
See you.
bye.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Okay, we clear bottom. We clear
Oh.
bottom now.
Outside.
I shoot one already.
Okay,
Bottom
wait,
is where I cannot
should
see.
we should be still need like 4.
I have 6 so 2
I
more.
got it.
One more.
One more.
Okay, shooting. Hey, I'm
Okay,
out.
nice.
Fuck, man. I shoot that and I'm out.
Okay
so
lah.
Clear
but
already.
this-
Bottom clear already.
we managed to clear all the thing once. Which is
But
nice.
I don't understand the bottom one eh. It's just hit any of the gun, is
You
it?
must predict the ball when it land on the fucking test. Oh my god.
Oh.
So normally you predict the ball is coming, only you shoot there's a circle. The
Then they
circle
will-
will appear.
circle.
Yeah.
You mean
the
this
circle will
this
appear
red ball
like
right that is flying? Then you
Yes.
hit.
yes.
You are like
That's
able
a-
to catch the ball.
yeah, catch a ball. Yes. Use the system to catch the ball.
Okay,
You
understand.
can watch my stream. I can try. show
Okay,
you.
watching.
Understand
Okay,
already.
I out already.
Here.
Hey, I still got knife.
So even there's more people that out, right? But the required to shoot still the same. So meaning that it's getting harder and harder if more
Oh my
people that out.
god. Okay, never mind.
If
Just
if you're
just
dead,
to-
you will not gain any gauge also.
Yeah, we do
Okay.
already. Yeah, I think we failed already. Anyway. Bong.
Okay, so how's this scenario comes in, right? When like getting lesser and lesser people, there will be there will aim to clear the bottom,
Clear. Bong.
top or bottom.
Yeah, bottom is the easiest one.
Yeah, because top and bottom, right? They require only party side times 2.
Oh yeah. Times 2 only.
Yeah, times 2 only. So if lesser people and when get familiar also will be like this So you see just now stack buff lor. And one more is a FMA. We forgot about the FMA timing. But this page, right? If I not mistaken, the FMA